Hello everybody, Andrew Mayeski here with Epicure, and we will be doing an Epicure unboxing today, so that's always a lot of fun. A huge box came in. I'm actually expecting another one probably next week, and then another one hopefully towards the end of the week. Shipping is taking about 2 weeks so far. Normally you can get your order within that week sometimes, but it is taking about 2 weeks. So thank you guys so much for your patience. I have 3 dogs here just in case you would like to say hi. Teddy, Lily, and Hope. They're a little bit tired. So this is what happens when I work from my office. They want to hang out too. Okay, guys, so who wants to see what I got in the Epicure box? So these orders are not mine. These are for people who choose to come and pick up. And keep in mind that if you don't live near me, they can easily ship to your home. So that's kind of nice. They are just putting them on the porch. You don't have to sign for anything, easy peasy. But let's see what's inside the box, shall we? So our gluten-free brownie mix comes in a pack of, I think it's a pack of 2 because there's 4 here. So they had ordered 2 orders. This stuff is amazing, honestly. And the best part is it's gluten-free. So if you like brownies, who doesn't? You can make obviously cake with this too, cupcakes, whatever you want. This stuff is amazing. There's a lot in here. And I'll show you guys the label here too in case you want to see that. So much healthier than anything typically that you could get from the store. There is 11 grams of sugar in there, but if you buy a brownie mix from the store, it is usually like 100 or 200, like it's insane. So this is a lot healthier. Okay guys, so this is a bestseller for sure. Whoops, as I'm dropping everything. And I see my dog behind me is like, what the heck is going on? This is a bestseller. Our Tutti Frutti mix. So I like to put this on literally anything. Like if you're making pancakes, put this either on your pancakes or within the pancakes. Yogurts, smoothies, fruits, anything. This stuff is amazing, trust me. And I'll show you guys the label as well if you guys want to see. Sorry if it doesn't always focus. I think it's because it's trying to focus on my face. Okay, so it doesn't always work. So this only has 4 grams of sugar. If you buy anything like this from the store, which they don't really have anything like this, do they? It would be so much more. So this is the way to go. Everything bagel seasoning. I have customers who pretty much order this every 3 months because it is so amazing. It's not just for putting it on like toast, bagels, obviously, you could put it on anything and it tastes so, so good. So amazing. I don't even know if I should bother showing you guys the label because it's not really focusing. So I apologize, but they do have all of this info also on the website. If you have any questions, let me know. So that's one box. Let me just put that down here. There we go. Okay, what else, you guys? So our herb and garlic dip mix. When I have customers who are trying Epicure for the first time and say, so I kind of want to try like a little bit of everything, like what is a best seller? This is a bestseller by far. I even tried to keep this in stock. It never works. Like I had ordered like 11 of them around Christmas time. I sold out within like a week. It was insane. And then I had ordered probably 11 more a month later, sold out within a week. So I should be learning to order more, but this stuff is amazing. You can use this for anything. So there's a lot of those in here. There's another one. Our coconut curry, you guys. This stuff is good for those curry lovers out there, of course. Another herb and garlic. 3 onion, also a best seller. I know a lot of customers like to use the 3 onion and the herb and garlic for like a dip mix. Like they like to just mix them in. Really good. I have to agree. I like 3 onion, lemon dilly, and CCB as a dip mix. Cheese, chives, and bacon. That's my favorite, actually. That is called our Extraordinary Trio cheese dip, by the way. I can actually leave the recipe for you guys on the bottom if you would like to see it. I just noticed my hair is so messy, you guys. It didn't look that messy until I started doing the video, so I'm sorry. 3 onion again, a bestseller. They even included some Epicure bags. They don't have to, but I did ask for some since I was getting a lot of pickup orders. Another everything bagel seasoning, very popular. Cocoa Crunch. I actually like to put this in my coffee. You could put it on, in your yogurt, smoothies. On toast is so good. Like peanut butter and this on toast, wow, your kids will love you. It is so good. So people love that one. Bruschetta mix. Who doesn't like bruschetta? And you guys, one more thing to show you. If you guys have not tried our meal packs, or I should say our meal boxes, these are like a must-have because it makes such a good gift idea because it comes in a box. Now, can I open this without breaking a label? Yes, I can. So this one happens to be our Asian meal box. So this is what the boxes look like, you guys. I'm being careful because this is not mine. This is a customer's. Thank you for letting me share. This is what the box looks like. It comes with recipe cards, and then you can make everything that is on the recipe cards. Again, I'm being careful. I'm sorry. So this one happens to have, being very careful, chipotle mix. Happens to have, trying to show you guys, sesame ginger. That tastes amazing on salads, by the way. You just have to mix, I think this one you mix with just oil, sometimes vinegar. They're all a little bit different. This one, you can actually add it to something that's already being prepared. Soy sauce, oil, and rice vinegar to make a really yummy salad dressing. Amazing if you have not had it yet. Asian stir fry mix, or I'm sorry, seasoning. I know that's chicken, or sorry, the miso broth. I'm trying to be so careful, guys. Okay, so it doesn't want to come out. I'm gonna have to make sure that my hair isn't attached to any of this. But check this out, you guys. So this is what a meal box looks like. And as I said, it will come with recipe cards. And the nice thing about our meal boxes, other than them just looking so nice, is basically if you can make, it depends on the meal box, but typically like 44 meals from one box at about like $2 to $4 per serving per person. So how amazing is that? That is so much cheaper than eating out, and it just comes in such a nice box. Like you don't have to wonder, well, what's for dinner, what's for lunch? Take a box out and make all of these throughout the week with the recipe cards done and done. So much easier. So that's what I had in the box. Show you guys here. Oh, move my webcam, all of that fun stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will probably try to get these to be a little more organized next time. I apologize. I don't do a lot of Epicure unboxing videos. I don't know why, because it's just so much fun. Probably because when I finally get them, I'm trying to get the orders together as soon as possible because people are excited to pick up. In the boxes, or I'm sorry, when people pick up, I put them all in a nice little Epicure bag. I will give them some free samples and a catalog. So people love it. And then they will hopefully come back to purchase some more. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.